Look. Copyright that, YouTube. It's a rainy one out here today. Ooh. Ooh. She's a wet one. Mm-hmm. Mm. Locks up. Just be hitting some on ramps today, off ramps. Hopefully nobody gets in my way. Grippy. Never been this way. Let's go this way. Pretty wet out today. I don't know what the hell's up here, but oh wait. Oh, I know what this is. Oh. I've never been this way either. Let's see what the fuck's going on over here. Park's closed. Collins Aerospace. Damn, I don't even know if I can come this way actually. Not fucking with the government today. Staying away from aerospace companies. Ugly. I also can't see shit though. The freeway. I think I'm gonna go straight. Damn, I also do not have any brakes in this shit. Oh my gosh, it goes all the way in. I'm gonna see if I can hit this left right here and then right to the freeway. I got the green light right here. Yep. Damn, so ugly. So ugly. misfiring. That's not good. Okay, I think I'm done for today. Alright, now I'm gonna need to go do what I came to do. Go to the store. Yeah, that was some pretty good sets today, I guess. Do a little on-ramps. Takeover kids be like, oh, that's a takeover spot. Check us out. Gonna buy some stuff. Probably get some grub, some coffee. Yeah, I drink coffee sometimes. Depends how I feel. I'm gonna go to Macy's, pick up some new perfume. I mean cologne. Just kidding. Here. City parking. Driving. Ooh, getting all wet. All types of dirt on it. First day out in the rain. Went drifting yesterday. See that right there? It's looking good though. Yeah. Hopefully it's fucking locked it. Man, sick ass fool. Chula Mall, where fucking nobody shopping. Ain't nobody buying a pretzel today. They're not even open. They already know what's up. That started to close down. Ain't nobody coming in here today. Buying some pants. I don't know what the hell's over there. Bath and Body Works. I fuck with you. A little pastel. Oh, this is all topic. Oh, I'm looking for fucking. Oh, there it is over there. Looking for Spencer's. Ooh, might hit up a snack shop too. The munchie shop. For sure hitting that. Might even buy me a chain. Shit. Sheesh. Mask on. Hello. I always got the sickest shirts here. Need to let that shit go. Oh, that one's pretty sick actually. The plague, like the coronavirus. Okay. See, told you, Joey. Okay, if you suck. Sheesh. Pack a little bowl. Fresh ass waterfall. See what I got in this little bag. This waterfall's fresh though. I remember coming here when I was a kid and throwing shit down this way. But I ain't got no change. Good times, good times. And the arcade was right there, or right here, or it's up there now. I don't know. But rest in peace, arcade. Fuck coronavirus. What a beautiful day. I think you dropped something. Not important anyways. Probably just broke off. They just left this. Hey, fuck it. Ooh, who's that over there? Woo! Sheesh, woo, sheesh. Bye-bye. Oh, didn't even click. What the? Bro. The whole point of the NRG to it. What the? No! I lost my ringing sound to my wheel. Nope, you gotta fix this right now. What is going on? No! Oh. The damn button is supposed to pop up. Ass. Well, let's try this again. Well, that's not that safe. It's a little lock mechanism. Whack! Get out of here. Alright, last part of the video I got from Spencer's was this little Rick and Morty container. That's for hardware only, nothing else. Hardware only. And it's waterproof. A little seal proof right here. Got that little rubber seal, so keeps any contaminants, any water off of it. So it keeps your hardware nice and keeps it from rusting. And it looks pretty sick under this black, well, it's supposed to be black light, but same thing. So I got the same wavelength from this light, like so, to work with those posters and whatnot. Looks pretty sick. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.
Taylor about the fucking flex.